Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this lovely 2010 Nissan Altima 2.5S that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. It's a nice, clean West Coast vehicle. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade. This Altima is no exception. If you're looking for a nice, comfortable, spacious commuter, the Altima is a great choice. I'm 6'2". I fit very nicely in this Altima. I've always been a big fan of this particular generation of Altima when they first came out. Fun to drive, good performance out of that 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It makes about I think 170 horsepower, not a heavy car, and also very fuel efficient. You should be getting in the mid to low 30s in the highway. This one has a nice leather wrap steering wheel. Also has an aftermarket Pioneer infotainment system with navigation. Also has a parking camera, very helpful, and a HD radio, which gives you almost CD quality for free over the FM radio network, and you get more stations too. This one has an automatic dimming mirror. Actually, it looks like this might be aftermarket as well. Might even have a traffic camera in there as well. That's pretty cool. 56,851 miles. Pretty low mileage for a 2010. Most people average about 10-15,000 miles a year. Gray is such an easy color to take care of. I prefer gray cars myself. Surface imperfections don't seem to show up quite as much on gray versus dark colors. This one has a nice alloy wheel package on it. Tinted windows. Decent rear seat space. I'm 6'2", so I had that front seat adjusted for my height, and I still have a good amount of space back here. Oops, forgot to open the trunk. This one also has a rear spoiler for a little bit more of a performance look. Trunk is pretty spacious, and you can fold down those rear seats for even more space. Have a dual exhaust also for a performance look, and these clear tail lights. That's another performance look. You don't always get features like this in this segment of vehicles. You know, these mid-size sedans are a very competitive segment. The Altima competes with like the Toyota Camry, the Honda Accord. Some of those cars can be maybe guilty of being a little bit more vanilla than they should. The Altima tends to be a little bit more on the sporty side. So if that appeals to you, then the Altima is probably a great choice. This one comes with a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video, and hopefully we see you in our store very soon.